Here we come to the elevator at the Pavillion and Scholarship Building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. It's a classic Dover traditional from 1982. Still remember that howdy sign in the back. 2. Beautiful motor. Go for one more ride. All right, let's go back down to one end there, because I don't want to cause a disturbance. Here's your phone. Nothing has changed since the last time I was here. I'm glad that this sign is still standing, as you can see here. Keep Aggieland the friendliest campus in the world. That's exactly what A&M should do, because Texas A&M is indeed the most friendliest university of all time. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and that'll be it.